Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you my personal customized survival kit that I have made for any catastrophic event that may occur in future times. We don't know about that. So today I'll be showing you what all the things I have kept in this thing. I hope this small video might be helpful for you. Okay, so let's see what all the things I have kept in my survival kit. If you have suggestions to update this kit, you can uh, tell me in the comment section. Let us see what all the things I have kept in my survival kit. Starting with first, I have kept this plastic bag. If in case of a wet catastrophic event like floods or rain, you can keep your valuables like phones, you can keep in this plastic bag. um, then I have kept 2 tissue papers. I don't know why I have kept this, but then I have a scissor. Also I have kept this band-aid in case of a medical emergency. This is also included with the cotton swab in it, so this will be helpful. Then yes, this thing, you can see these type of things in D-Marts. You can lock anything with this, so this is also I've kept. Then I have this small thing. It includes a paper. It includes a blank paper on which I can write. You can write anything. Then a small pencil to write. Then I've kept some money. Then I have kept small candles. These type of candles you can get in birthday shop. These are birthday candles, by the way. You can use these to as fire starters. They are very useful as fire starters. Then this small thread, and with this thread I also kept a needle. I'll show you. This small thread you can use for stitching. This a small safety pin. Then a small rope. It's not a rope, this is string, I guess. This is a small string. Then a lighter. I also kept a tester cum screwdriver. It might come handy. Then this is a nail cutter. Now no one needs nail cutter in a catastrophic event, but this can be useful as a can opener, or you can dig with the help of this thing. So that is the reason I've kept a nail cutter. Then a blade, a small blade. So this blade I have taken from the paper cutter that I have, and I have put tape on it so that whenever it is required, I can remove the tape. Then sellotape. I have made a small sellotape backup over here. Then I have got some rubber bands and some paper pins over here. Then I got 2 band-aids, and this is an alcohol swab, and then this is a small napkin or towel, we can say. So these are all the things I have kept as an emergency survival kit. Now let me know in the comment sections if there is anything more I can add to this, or I can update in this. Yeah, that's all then. Bye.